Welcome to this week's edition of Fridays with Frankie, from the garage. Look at this thing, it's sick. This toolbox here. It's a little dirty, but it's sick. Lots of tools that I have no clue how to use without damaging your vehicle. So anyhow, without further ado, Eldon, our shop foreman's here with us today. Yep. I brought Eldon in because I'm often asked, Frank, these Toyotas are good, they're reliable, they're durable, but yes, it's true, you have to keep up with routine and scheduled maintenance. Eldon, how often do we need to see their new Toyota?
So we would like to see you come in every 5,000 miles. First 5 is tire rotation. Second would be an oil change and a tire rotation, and then so on and so forth. Every 5,000 miles would be a good idea to bring your car in, get it checked over, and that way it's running perfectly fine and keeps your vehicle in good working order, and had to be known for the reliability that Toyota's known for.
You do a multi-point inspection when it's in every time too?
Every single car that comes in gets a once-over check, and the report is generated after the billing is done. So once you leave, you have your keys, your report's going to be right there for you. You can look through it, or in case there is something that needs to be brought up to your attention, our advisors will give you a call, text, and basically bring it up to your attention, see if anything needs to be done, and go on from there.
So every 5,000 or every 5 months, whatever
Correct.
comes first?
Correct.
Low mileage drivers, time is key. You can tell we're really in the garage. That is sounds of the garage, folks.
All day.
So anyhow, the key points here, folks, is that not only will they change those fluids, filters, top it off, they need to see it every 5 months or 5,000. They'll do a multi-point inspection so you know your expected brake and tire life, things like this when you leave here. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next week. Eldon, thank you.
See you.